Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use which command and what is command in Linux. So let's see first of all what is which command and how we can use it. The which command is used to return the path name of a file or a command which we use with this which command. So let's see how we can use it. So to use the which command, you just need to write which and the command name. So for example, ls. Okay, and this will give you, so for example, I will press enter and this will give me the location of this ls command, or wherever this ls executable is located, right? For example, in the last video I wanted to know the path location of the bash, so I have done something like this which bash, and it has given this location to us, right? Now this which command will help you whenever you will be writing much of the bash scripting, and in bash scripting it's a good practice to use the full path of the command name. So instead of using ls in bash scripting, for example, so let's open our script first of all, nano, which we have created in the last video. So I'm just going to open the first of all cd to the desktop and then nano to my script which we have created in the last video, right? So in Linux, it's in bash scripting especially, it's a good practice to use the location, full location, for example bin / ls, right, which is the full location of this ls command. And then I will just exit out of it, and whenever I execute this my script for once again, it will give me the same result. So sometimes whenever you use your script in different operating system, some recognize your ls command, some wants you to give the full path of the, for example, any command which you use. So this is the full command. So this is where the which command will be helpful to you to know the location of any, for example, command. For example, I want to know the location of let's say Firefox, and press enter, and you can see it's located here. So user bin Firefox, right? So for example, I want to know the location of cat, so bin cat, right? So in this way you can know the location of any command using this which command. Now what is a what is command? So let's see how we can use what is command. So I'm going to clear the terminal, and then this time we are going to use the what is command. So what is command is going to display the short manual page description. So as I have been telling you to use man pages, for example man ls, and I will just press enter, it gives this man page which gives the information about ls, what it does. And essentially this what is command is going to return you short description of this ls command which is there in the man page, for example this description. So let's see how we can use this what is command. So just write what is, something like this, and then ls and press enter, and you can see it gives the short description of this ls command which is there in the man pages itself. So if you wanted to know what this command is doing, so you can just do what is ls, or any command. So let's say I want to do what is Firefox, for example, and it gives a free and open source web browser for Mozilla, right? And this command which we haven't seen, for example grep, we will see it in the later video what is it, but let's see what is it. So it is used to print line matching a pattern, right? And let's say what is a cat command. and it's a concatenation, so it is used to concatenate files and print on the standard output. So what is command you can use to display a short description of a command which is present in the man pages also. So this is how you can use which and what is command in Linux. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.